I want you to take a look at this, and then it's just a review, and then I'm going to tell you something. Meet Marina, the siren crone. Disney's version did her the opposite of justice. The Hans Christian Andersen version is actually where it's at. That flower in Marina's hair represents the elusive G-spot. Marina traded her family jewel and voice to walk on land in hopes of finding love with the man she rescued. The Hans Christian Andersen version didn't turn out the way Disney's did. Marina couldn't kill what she loved and sacrificed herself instead. When she died, she turned to sea foam. I made art about it. When you turn the lights out, my art glows. If you watch the other videos, that was a few months in the head game with the most evil, destructive narcissist there is. From the Mayflower to Hans Christian Andersen to today. Narcissists don't ever change. What Joseph Campbell didn't bother to fucking tell anyone is that the pollen path is riddled with heroin and pedophilia. Do you think you're cute, Joseph? I don't. Schizophrenic crack up for the pedophile ringleaders. And you don't come back from this one. This isn't psychosis. People underestimate me because I look like this. Oh, what could she do? You won't ever show up because you know I will fucking rip your head off. So if they give you that silent treatment and you ain't done nothing to them to warrant it, write them off. Write them off. Just don't use a blanket statement. Because when my kid's a musician, and I know they have empathy, and I've met other musicians that don't act like Perry Farrell and Dorian Electra and Randall Frazier. Vicious, all of them in the head game. Vicious as fuck. Look who lived through it. Look who survived the victimizers, who will now play the victims. Because if you throw out a blanket statement with my kid under it, I'm going to rip it out from under you. If you call something like pedophilia the devil, what you do with that duality stuff is you make the pedophile think that they're the devil. They're the opposite of God. They have just as much power. None of that ever resonated with me. Asking questions, sussing things out, researching. And I'm always doing something. I'm always looking something up or making art or, whatever. It's a lonely path. This path I'm on. It's just a spiritual path. But those of us that are part indigenous, Joseph Campbell, you really shined that white man's narcissism, didn't you?